welcome to another video by George's Shed, and today we're going to be placing the motherboard on this 3D printer. Let's get started. Okay, so after about, well, I can't even remember, but a lot of hours of printing, the motherboard on my 3D printer failed. So this is, as I mentioned before, an anet A8. So I bought a replacement motherboard for this. This was a version 1.5 board, so a newer board than the one was in it. And it seemed to have an issue with the X-stepper driver, where it'd work for sort of 5 or 10 minutes and then it would start making a really weird noise and wouldn't move. So I tried to contact the seller, but he was unwilling to give me a refund. So I'm going to be replacing it with another one. So this is another motherboard. This is the original version 1.0, and this cost me £25 on eBay. So now I'm just going to simply swap it out, and hopefully it'll be working fine. Okay, so now we've installed the motherboard, it's time for the moment of truth. Now let's plug it in. So far so good. Now let's home it to check all the drivers are working and going in the right direction. X, Y, and Z. Seems to be pretty good. So now let's try and print a file. So now that's just going to heat up. Thanks for watching. Bye.